Have you ever noticed something strange? Two students prepare for IELTS in the same way. They study the same books, they practice the same mock tests, they even have similar English levels. But on exam day, one chooses computer-based IELTS and the other chooses paper-based IELTS. A few weeks later, their results come out and suddenly one student is happy, confident, and relieved, while the other is disappointed, confused, and asking just one question: did I choose the wrong test format? Today's video is not about which IELTS is easier. It's not about trends or rumors. Today, we're going to answer the real question. Does the test format actually matter, or is it just in your head? By the end of this video, you'll clearly know which format suits you, which format can quietly lower your band, and how many students lose marks simply because of a bad choice. So stay till the end, because this decision can save your time, money, and score. Part 1. Why this question even exists. Let me start with a truth that IELTS coaching centers rarely say openly. IELTS is not just an English test, it's a performance test under pressure, and performance depends heavily on comfort, habit, speed, confidence. The moment IELTS introduced the computer-based test, students started comparing. Some said computer IELTS is easier, others said paper IELTS is safer, and suddenly confusion began. Students stopped asking, "How good is my English?" and started asking which format gives more band. This is where most students go wrong, because IELTS never changes difficulty level, question types, examiner marking criteria. What changes is you. Part 2. Understanding both formats clearly. Before comparing, let's understand both formats without bias. Paper-based IELTS. This is the traditional format. You read questions on paper, write answers with a pen or pencil, write essays by hand. Listening, reading, and writing are on paper. Speaking is always face-to-face, same for both formats. Computer-based IELTS. Here, you read on a screen, you type answers, you type essays using a keyboard. Everything else remains the same. Same questions, same timing, same scoring system. So if everything is the same, why do results differ? Let's go deeper. Part 3. Listening section, where difference first appears. In listening, the biggest difference is how you write answers. Paper-based listening, you write answers while listening, transfer answers to answer sheet at the end, 10 minutes extra. This extra time feels safe. But here's the hidden problem. Many students relax too much during listening because they know they have transfer time later. They miss spellings, they forget plural S, they make careless mistakes. Computer-based listening, no extra transfer time. You type answers directly. This scares students at first, but here's the advantage. No rewriting, no spelling correction at the end, no handwriting confusion. Students who type fast and accurately often perform better here. Reality check. If you type confidently, are comfortable with a keyboard, computer-based listening can actually boost accuracy. But if you panic while typing, paper is safer. Part 4. Reading section. Speed versus control. This is where format choice really starts to matter. Paper-based reading. Advantages: you can underline, circle keywords, mark answers easily. Many students feel more connected to the text. But disadvantages: page flipping wastes time, no keyword search, manual scanning is slower. Computer-based reading. This is where smart students win. You can highlight text digitally, copy keywords, scroll fast, use on-screen timer. Most importantly, you can use keyword scanning faster. Not Control F, that's not allowed, but visual scanning becomes easier on screen. However, if your eyes get tired on screens, if scrolling distracts you, if you lose focus digitally, then computer-based reading can reduce accuracy. Part 5. Writing section, the biggest game changer. Let's be very honest here. Writing is where format matters the most. Paper-based writing, prose, natural thinking flow for some, familiar for traditional learners. Cons: handwriting issues, no word count, difficult editing, risk of messy corrections. Many good ideas die because the examiner can't read handwriting clearly. Computer-based writing, prose, easy editing, clear structure, word count visible. professional presentation. This is huge. Examiners don't give marks for typing, but they do penalize unclear writing. However, typing speed matters. If you type slowly, look at the keyboard often, make many spelling mistakes, computer-based writing becomes stressful. Important truth: computer-based IELTS favors organized thinkers, fast typists, students comfortable with essays on screen. Paper-based favors slow but steady writers, students trained in handwritten essays. Part 6. Speaking, same for both, but mindset changes. Let me clear one myth. Speaking test is exactly the same for both formats. Same examiner, same questions, same marking, but mindset changes. Students who choose computer-based often feel, this is modern, I'm prepared. Students who choose paper-based often feel, this is familiar, I'm safe. Confidence affects fluency, and fluency affects band. So indirectly, even format choice influences speaking. Part result time and psychological pressure. Here's something very practical. Computer-based IELTS results come faster, 3 to 5 days. Paper-based results take longer, up to 13 days. Fast results reduce anxiety, but they also increase pressure. Some students feel, what if I fail again so quickly? Others feel motivated. Know your personality. Part 8. Real student stories. Very important. Let me tell you about 2 students. Student A, band 6.0 to 7.5. Strong typing skills, daily laptop use, clear structure. He switched to computer-based. Result: better time management, clearer essays, higher band. Student B, band 6.5 to 6.0. Good English, weak typing, screen anxiety. She switched because everyone said computer is easier. Result: panic in writing, time loss, lower band. Same English, different format choice, different result. Part 9. The biggest myth: one format is easier. Let me say this very clearly. Computer IELTS is not easier. Paper IELTS is not safer. The right format is the one that matches your habits. IELTS doesn't reward bravery. It rewards comfort and consistency. Final advice from a teacher. Let me end this video with a warning and a promise. Warning: don't experiment on exam day. Practice in the format you choose. Target: if you match your format with your habit, half of your exam stress disappears automatically. And when stress goes down, band score goes up. So now I want to ask you, are you a computer-based or paper-based IELTS candidate? Tell me in the comments. And if you want a format-wise practice strategy, writing templates for both formats, or real mock test comparison, like, share, and subscribe, because the right guidance at the right time changes everything.